Weekend na naman! Time to unwind and explore. This time, kasama ko si Mama at si Tita for a fun and relaxing day. First stop, Bakawan Ecotourism Park. As soon as you enter, ramdam mo agad yung fresh air at relaxing vibes. Perfect spot para mag-unwind at mag-connect with nature. Welcome to Bakawan Ecotourism Park. Dito sa boardwalk, surrounded ka ng tall mangrove trees na nagbibigay ng natural shade. Ang saya lang maglakad, parang mini adventure sa gitna ng nature. Plus, ang hangin, sobrang presko. Ang Bakawan Ecotourism Park ay hindi lang basta nature trip. May ecotourism advocacy din sila. Ang mga mangrove trees dito, sobrang important para sa coastal protection at home din sila ng iba't ibang wildlife. Kung mapapansin nyo, may mga isda, crabs at ibon na malayang gumagalaw sa paligid. Syempre, hindi pwedeng walang pictures. Instagram worthy itong lugar na to. Lalo na pag golden hour, ang ganda ng contrast ng greenery at ng sky. Ganito dapat ang weekend. Simple pero sobrang fulfilling. Ang saya lang mag-pause for a while. Breathe in fresh air and just appreciate nature. Masarap sa mata, masarap din sa soul. After exploring nature, time naman para mag-relax at mag-chill sa Cafe by the River. Ang vibe dito, super laid back. Perfect para sa slow mornings or afternoon coffee breaks. Syempre, hindi kumpleto ang cafe experience without food and drinks. Ang daming choices sa menu. Sakto for brunch, snacks, or kahit chill afternoon coffee lang. Excited na akong tikman. Mas masarap kumain talaga at magkape kapag kasama ang family. Ang sarap ng feeling na slow and simple lang ang araw. No rush, just food, good company, and a relaxing view. Dito nga tinuruan pa ako ni Mama at Tita kung paano daw sila gumawa ng necklace nila gamit itong halaman na ito. Grabe, ang ganda ng view dito. Imagine, drinking your coffee habang nakaharap sa ilog, surrounded by trees and fresh air. Parang ang peaceful ng mundo for a moment. Walang stress, walang ingay, just good vibes. Kung naghahanap kayo ng perfect cafe spot na tahimik, cozy at may nature vibes, Cafe by the River is a must visit. Ang chill lang ng ambience at siguradong worth it ang experience. What a day! Grabe! From exploring Bakawan Ecotourism Park to chilling at Cafe by the River, this weekend was all about nature, good food, and quality time with family. Minsan, simple lang ang happiness. Fresh air, isang tasa ng masarap na kape, at kwentuhan with loved ones. If you're looking for a relaxing escape, this is the perfect spot. Till next time and more adventures to come. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See ya!